everyone, in this video we are going to make some simple queries. So how to retrieve certain values from a given database and select statement, where class, as well as we are going to see how to use alias. Already I have a books table. I can give the scripts in the GitHub repository. If you look at this, in the given script, I have actually entered list of all this tables. Okay, so this is from Justly database. So this is from John Castle book. So I can share the code. So when I want to select this books table, select star from books table. So this will give you list of all the books, right? So once the script is executed, you can see list of all the records here. So now if I wanted to see the descriptions of this table, already we know this DESA of books will give you the description. So in this case, ISBN is the primary key, so that cannot be null because every table will have a unique primary key. So we checked that. Now I would like to select few fields from this table. So what you can do is, so select ISBN, and then I would like to do title of the book, and then what category is this book. So you can just select few fields from this one, GORY, from books. So when I do that, this will give you list of 14 records. 14 records are there, and this picks only 3 fields, right? So 3 attributes it picks. Now if I wanted to say, let's say I would like to filter only computer books, then you can use where class, where category equal to, and then you can choose the category computer. As all the values are stored in the uppercase, you have to give this in uppercase. Otherwise, this will display 0 records. See, let me give you one more. So now I'm just going to give this computer in lowercase. So same query, but it is not displaying any records. So this is case sensitive. Okay, so as the values are stored in uppercase, it must be in uppercase. So I can just select one more here. Let's say cooking. So this will display list of, we have 2 cooking category books. Okay, so now if you would like to make a temporary name alias, so that is called as, so temporary name, we are, temporarily you can change the title without changing the structure of the table. We can change the title or any attributes name using the column alias. So what I can do is I can take the same query. Okay, so let me copy and paste the same query. Instead of title, I can give as book name. So when I do that, so this is a column alias. See, this gets changed to title, name gets changed to book name. And even if you want to give book name separately with spaces, let me copy the whole thing again and paste it here. If you want to have space, then it must be given within double quotes. So this is book name. You can either use underscore, but if you have to have a space, then it must be, the alias name must be given within double quotes. So that's the use of column alias. Column alias can be given for any fields of your choice. And then even after column alias, if you would like to add, let's say retail price. So see, retail as retail underscore price. If I want to add that without any double quotes, I'm just giving underscore, so this becomes retail price. So that's the use of column alias. Now if you would like to use any calculations, you can also use calculations here. So calculations in the sense, I can just do select, if I would like to know, let's say for example, what is the price of this book, actual profit they made. You can just do select ISBN, comma, title, comma, retail minus cost as profit from books. If you do that, this will give you the actual profit. See, this is profit column. We are generating a profit column. You can actually make some calculations here. Okay, so even you can check, you can select any tables of your choice, and then you can see I'm having an order table and you have order items table. So what is quantity and paid each? See, order items. So let me just do select star from order items. When I do that, this will give you a list of all the quantity and order items. So total payment, if I would like to know that, then I can just do, so select, if I want to multiply, select order number, comma, quantity times paid each as total from order items space. So this gets calculated, so you can see that. So quantity, comma, paid each, comma, this is your actual quantity. So if you have two items, so that gets, this is your total value. Okay, so you can do any calculations here and then you can start working with that. So whenever you have any values, so let's say for example I have select star from customers, I can check the customers table. So we have some null values here, right? So you can choose any table of your choice. So if you have null values, then if you want to check which customer has a given the references, then where referred is null. When you just do referred is null, it will display only the records that has null values. The opposite of that is not null. So when you do is not null, so these records does have references. But if you do equal to null, this is not going to give you any error, but it will give you, see, this is actually incorrect. Equal to null, this is considering this as values, so you should not be using equal to for null values. Okay, so this one is incorrect, so I can remove that. Okay, so that's how you can make any simple operations: is null, is not null. And then if you would like to do any operations, you can do operations, concatenation operations. And if you would like to actually check list of all the values, you can always do select star from user tables. This will give you list of all the records on the user table, right? So all the records from that in my schema, it's all available here. You can check it. Now if I would like to do just customers table, select star from going with customers table. So I would like to combine first name and last name as one customer. So you can use pipe symbol, select first name, then you can use pipe symbol, then last name as customer name from customers. When I do that, this becomes first name and last name, but I would like to give some space. So you can add one more concatenation operator and you can give a space here. So this is the space. And then if you do that, so you can have first name, last name. So this is your customer name. And then I can give address, whatever fields you want to add, you can add as many fields as possible. So this is a part of concatenation operator. Okay, so you can also use concat operator, but when I start going through the functions, we can use concat operator, but this one is a pipe symbol for concatenation. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.